Welcome everyone. Prove that sec square theta plus cosec square theta is equal to sec square theta into cosec square theta. To prove this, first consider left hand side. Left hand side is equal to sec square theta cosec square theta. This is what left hand side. That is equal to, simplify this, write 1 by sec square theta cos square theta, 1 by cosec square theta is equal to sin square theta, or cosec square theta is equal to 1 by sin square theta. Now if we simplify, LCM is cos square theta into sin square theta. After adding, we can write sin square theta plus cos square theta, 1 by cos square theta sin square theta, as from trigonometric formula sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is equal to 1. We can write this 1 by cos square theta into 1 by sin square theta. 1 by cos theta, we can write sec square theta into cosec square theta, as cos theta and sec theta are reciprocals to each other. So this is equal to what is right hand side. So our question is proved. Thank you for watching.